What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am Stevie, the Military Biker, and today's video I am going to talk to you about this Custom Dynamics ProBEAM LED run and brake LED tri-bar that I'm going to fit to my 2021 Street Glide Special. So, hey guys, like I said, I'm going to be fitting this today. This is the Custom Dynamics tri-bar LED, and the reason I'm going to be fitting this is because if you didn't know, here in Canada, we actually have a tri-bar fitted on the back of the bike, on the back of a road glide, on the street glide. However, it's fake. There's nothing in there, which is completely bizarre to me, but there is no light in there whatsoever. It's literally just a false plate, a false light that's on the back of it. So if you didn't know that when you're looking at buying a road glide or a street glide here in Canada, then it's not fitted. If you're buying it from the dealer, that is, maybe, you know, if you're buying it second hand or used, then it may have one already fitted. So the legends of Custom Dynamics sent me this to fit to my 2021 Street Glide Special, like I said. So yeah, bit weird, but anyway, let's get into the video and we can get this fitted. It is plug and play, so as all Custom Dynamic stuff is, so it should be pretty easy to do. So here we go. Okay, hopefully you can see that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove this protective plate. I've already loosened it off, but just so you can see, there's two notches there. You need to lift them off, obviously, like so, and then remove that, put it to one side where you know it's safe. And on the back, up the top, way out the way, are the two screws holding this in. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to remove these screws. And what I forgot to mention is obviously remove your cables from either side of the light that plug into the light. So in here, into this black piece, all right, make sure you take them out. Be careful, okay, there is one sort of on the bottom and one of those on the top there. So it does clip in both top and bottom, so be very careful not to snap them off, because you are going to need these again to plug in your light. So once you've got them out, just shove them out the way so they're not getting tangled up as you do this job. Alright, so hopefully if I put the GoPro up here along with the light, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Hopefully there is some light up there. If you can see the screws, then they're the ones you're after. You need two of those. There's one hiding there, and there's another one hiding over there. So you need to get your T20 torque head in there. You need to get in there and unscrew both of those. So let's do that. Awesome. Okay, second screw out. Okay, so technically this should just come out like so. So there you go. It's out. It's absolutely disgusting. But hey, it's out. So as you can see now underneath, I'll just use the GoPro for this bit. You can see where the two screws attach. All right, and obviously once you've got this out, give it a little bit of a clean. Let's be honest, when you're going to get under here and be able to give it a clean ever again, unless you change it out again. But you can see your two connectors, all right, left and right connectors, depending on which way you look at it. Okay, so I'm going to put them out the way for now, and then give this a clean, and then install the new Custom Dynamics tri-bar. Now I'm just going to show you the difference while I've got it out. I'm going to show you the difference in size with the Custom Dynamics one and obviously the Harley original OEM one, as you can see there. Difference, and obviously the difference with the screws as well. So, alright kids, that's it done. That's it cleaned, as you can see underneath there. And all you got to do now is fit the new Custom Dynamics LED tri-bar underneath here, put it into the slot. I would recommend doing this from the outside so you can ensure that it fits in correctly. So, she's in. Sweet. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put both the screws back up the top there, back in to secure it into position before I connect it up. I'm not going to completely grunge the screws in, because if it doesn't work for whatever reason, I need to take it off. And obviously, I don't want to go through all that rigmarole of pain in the arseness, as it were. So I'm just going to put them in tight, just hold it in place, then try out the connectors and see if she works. And I have to say, because of the size of this, because it's so much more compact than the OEM one, getting those screws in there is a hell of a lot more easier. Hell of a lot easier. Alright, little she's in. So let's now plug the plugs in. You snap them in, alright, make sure they snap in place, both top and bottom. Come on, there you go, there you go. Job's a good one. Okay. Right, cool. Let's, she's fitted. I've not tightened the screws up the top. Let's see if she works. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to turn the ignition on, like so. And let's now go and have a look at the back. There you go, boys and girls, look at that. We now have a tri-bar that actually works. So what you want to do is obviously just check. You should have the option, the ability for the tri-bar to be actually brake and running light now. So we'll just put them down on the brake, and as you can see at the back, we now have a ton of brake lights. Absolutely outstanding. I'm just going to sit here in front of the brake lights so you can see, in front of the running lights. They're not brake lights, that's running lights. Look how bloody red my face is. So once you're happy it works, it's all good to go. Just make sure you go back in, and obviously if you've done what I've done and just only hand tighten the screws, make sure you go back in and actually tighten the screws up, because you don't want it falling out, obviously. And there you go. So that is how easy that is. Little bit more of a pain in the butt to get the screws out from up the top there, but you know, it didn't take long at all. That took me about 20 minutes, if that, to complete the job. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's the Custom Dynamics ProBEAM LED tri-bar for a 2021 Street Glide special, for my 2021 Street Glide special, Road Glide, etc. And again, if you are in Canada and you don't have a tri-bar, that's how easy it is to do, and get your back of your bike looking like something that it should look like from the beginning. But anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. I am Stevie the Military Biker. Take it easy. A big thank you to Custom Dynamics again for sending me that. Outstanding, guys. Thank you so much. And if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, if you want to subscribe, great. Check it out. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe wherever you are around the world. And remember, you'll never walk alone.